Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind: artificial intelligence. Specifically, we're talking about the big money. What are the highest paying AI careers in the USA right now? And more importantly, how can you actually get one? If you're looking to future-proof your career and earn a fantastic salary, you're in the right place. We're going to break down the top roles, the skills you need to learn, and a clear roadmap to help you transition into this exciting field. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a practical guide to launching your own high-paying AI career. Let's get started. So, what are these top-tier jobs? Let's kick things off with the AI research scientist. These are the innovators, the people pushing the boundaries of what AI can do. They're developing new algorithms and models, working on things like deep learning and neural networks. Think of them as the Einsteins of the AI world. To become one, you'll typically need a PhD, or at least a master's degree in computer science or a related field. Your salary. You're re-looking at an average of around $170,000 to $250,000 a year, and it can go much, much higher for top talent at leading tech companies. Next up, we have the machine learning engineer. This is one of the most in-demand roles out there. ML engineers are the builders. They take the models created by research scientists and turn them into real-world applications. They design, build, and deploy machine learning systems. For example, they're the ones who build the recommendation engine that suggests your next favorite show on Netflix. The path here usually involves a strong background in software engineering with specialized skills in machine learning. Salaries for ML engineers are impressive, typically ranging from $150,000 to over $200,000 annually. Then there's the AI architect. Think of this person as the master planner. An AI architect designs the entire AI infrastructure for a company. They decide which technologies to use, how different systems will work together, and ensure the whole setup is scalable and efficient. This is a senior role that requires a deep understanding of both AI and cloud computing platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. It's a leadership position with a salary to match, often starting around $160,000 and climbing well past $220,000. B. Another huge role is the data scientist, with a specialization in AI, while data science is a broad field. Those who focus on applying machine learning and AI techniques to analyze massive datasets are in a league of their own. They extract valuable insights that drive business decisions. They might build predictive models to forecast sales or analyze customer behavior using AI, a strong foundation in statistics. Programming and machine learning is key. Salaries are excellent, generally falling between $140,000 and $190,000, with senior roles earning even more. Finally, let's talk about the AI product manager. This role is a perfect blend of tech and business. AI product managers are the visionaries who decide what AI products to build. They understand customer needs, define the product strategy, and work closely with engineers and scientists to bring that vision to life. You don't need to be a hardcore coder, but you absolutely need to understand AI concepts deeply. This role is about leadership and strategy, and it pays very well, with salaries often ranging from $150,000 to $210,000 a year. So, you've seen the jobs and the salaries. Now for the million-dollar question: how do you get there? The good news is, you don't necessarily need to go back to school for a 4-year degree, though that is one path. Let's break down a practical roadmap. Step 1 is building your foundational knowledge. No matter which role you're aiming for, you need to be strong in the basics. This means mastering a programming language, and the undisputed king in the AI world is Python. It has incredible libraries like NumPy for numerical operations, Pandas for data manipulation, and scikit-learn for machine learning. You'll also need a solid understanding of mathematics, specifically linear algebra, calculus, and probability and statistics. These are the mathematical languages that AI is built on. Don't be intimidated. There are amazing free and paid resources online to learn these concepts, from Khan Academy to university courses on Coursera and edX. Step 2 is to dive deep into machine learning and AI concepts. Once you have the fundamentals down, it's time to learn about the core algorithms. You need to understand concepts like supervised and unsupervised learning, regression, classification, and clustering. Then, you can move on to more advanced topics like neural networks, deep learning, and natural language processing. Andrew NG's machine learning course on Coursera is practically a rite of passage for anyone entering the field. It's a fantastic starting point. From there, you can explore specializations based on the role you're interested in. Step 3, and this is crucial, is to get hands-on experience. Theory is great, but you need to prove you can apply it. The best way to do this is by working on personal projects. Start small. Maybe build a simple model to predict house prices from a public dataset. Then, challenge yourself with something more complex. Participate in competitions on platforms like Google. This is an incredible way to learn from others, work with real-world messy data, and build a portfolio that will impress recruiters. Your GitHub profile is your new resume. Fill it with well-documented projects that showcase your skills. Step 4 is to specialize and build a portfolio. Don't try to be a jack of all trades. Pick an area that interests you. Is it computer vision? Natural language processing? Reinforcement learning? Focus your projects on learning in that area. For example, if you're interested in computer vision, build a project that can identify objects and images. If you're into NLP, create a sentiment analysis tool for social media posts. A specialized portfolio shows depth and expertise, making you a much more attractive candidate than someone with a scattered, superficial knowledge of everything. Step 5 is networking and job hunting. Start connecting with people in the field. Use LinkedIn to follow AI leaders, join relevant groups, and engage in discussions. Attend virtual or local tech meets and conferences. Networking isn't just about asking for a job. It's about learning from others and building relationships. When you start applying for jobs, tailor your resume for each application. Highlight the projects and skills that are most relevant to the specific role. Be prepared for technical interviews, which will often involve coding challenges and questions about your projects. Practice your communication skills so you can clearly explain your thought process. Let's recap the roadmap. First, master the fundamentals, Python and math. Second, learn the core AI and machine learning concepts. Third, get your hands dirty with projects and build a portfolio on Kaggle and GitHub. Fourth, specialize in an area that you're passionate about. And fifth, network. Tailor your applications and ace those interviews. It's a journey, for sure. It requires dedication and a lot of learning, but the payoff can be life-changing, too. The demand for AI talent is only going to grow, and these high salaries reflect the immense value these roles bring to companies. You are investing in a skill set that will be at the forefront of technology for decades to come. So, what are you waiting for? Start with that first Python tutorial or that first chapter of a linear algebra book. The path to a six-figure AI career is laid out in front of you. It's not easy, but it is absolutely achievable. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video gave you a clear and inspiring look into the world of high-paying AI careers. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more content on careers, technology, and personal growth. Let me know in the comments which AI role you're most excited about. I'll see you in the next one.